Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to rotate the screen on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. To rotate your screen in Windows 10, you can either use keyboard shortcuts or adjust display settings. To adjust display settings, right-click on your mouse and choose Display Settings from here. Now I scroll down to Display Orientation. Click on this arrow and you will have 4 options: Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped and Portrait Flipped. Click on your desired display, then click Keep Change, then click Keep Changes to confirm. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.